Good afternoon, dear students. You are watching Class 6 Science, chapter number 1, Food and its Sources, part 11. In the last video, we discussed hot and H part of this exercise. Dear students, before starting the I part, today we will discuss I and J part of this exercise. Before starting the I and J part, I will tell you, you have to do in your notebook exercise A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Till H you have to do in your notebook and in your book also, in a very neat and clean writing and in a cursive writing. Dear students, you can do this exercise A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H with the help of your detailed planner. Your detailed planner is also available on your app, school app. So let's start. Life skills. There are people all around the world who do not get sufficient food. Dear students, I will tell you one question to you: why people does not get a sufficient food? Yes, your answer is right. There are many reasons. First, due to large population. Second, lack of agricultural land. And third one is wastage of food. So dear students, let's take one by one. The main reason for such a condition are overpopulation due to large population and lack of agricultural land. Due to lack of agricultural land, farmers cannot be able to cultivate good quality food crop. Lack of agricultural land to grow good quality food crops. The shortage of food leads to malnutrition. Dear student, that word is new for you, malnutrition. What is the malnutrition? Malnutrition occurs when the body does not get enough nutrients. Causes include a poor diet, digestive condition or another disease, which means that the people are not getting the basic nutrients. Dear students, now you understood very well what is the nutrient. Nutrients are those substances which is present in our food. It is very necessary for the development of our body and repairing for the tissue, necessary for growth and development of their body. Malnutrition may leads to many deficiency disorders, disease like goiter, beriberi, night blindness, etc. Dear students, come to the another reason. Wastage of food is another reason for food shortage. When we can avoid wastage by taking only that much food in the plate. Dear student, that is very important line. That much food in the plate. This is the region, much food in the plate. If it is in an excess amount, so we should donate this food that we can eat. If there is excess leftover food, we have to donate it. Then we should donate that to the people who is facing the problem of shortage of food. Dear students, now you understood. Now come to the J part in the library. Bats are interesting creatures found in the nature. Their food habits too are unique. Find out more about them. Dear students, bats are very interesting creatures in nature. Its food habits are also too unique. Why it is too unique? Because most bats feeds on flying insects such as large insects, spider, and they are called what? Many bats are called insectivorous, and most of the rest are frugivorous, means fruits eater. Some other interesting about the bat. Bats are only the mammals that can really fly their wings like a hands, but they have a large finger and large finger and the skin is stretched out between them. So dear students, now you understood. Thank you. Be safe. Stay home.